hardest part isn't watching you leave. It's waking up and still wanting to believe that you'll come back, standing at my door, like we never broke like before. I still hear your voice in the pouring rain, still feel your touch though you've gone away. Every little thing reminds me of you, and I don't know what I'm supposed to do. Oh, every night I call your name, but nothing comes back, nothing's the same. Chasing shadows in the dark tonight, still looking for your face in every light. You took my heart when you walked away and left me with the words we didn't say. Oh, tell me how to stop missing you, tell me how to make it through, 'cause every beat of my broken heart still wants to believe we're not apart. The city lights don't shine the same, every street still whispers your name. I've tried my best to let you go, but some kinds of love don't let go. I see you smile in every crowd, hear your laughter when it's quiet now. Maybe time will heal these scars, but tonight they feel deeper than they are. Oh, every dream brings you back to me, then I wake up to reality. I'm still chasing shadows in the dark tonight, still looking for your face in every light. You took my heart when you walked away and left me with the words we didn't say. Oh, tell me how to stop missing you, tell me how to make it through, 'cause every beat of my broken heart still wants to believe we're not apart. Maybe someday I'll be alright, maybe someday I'll sleep at night, but right now all I know is true. A part of me still belongs to you. I'm still chasing shadows in the dark tonight, still praying somehow you'll change your mind. Even if you're gone, even if it's true, my broken heart still beats for you. Oh, tell me how to stop missing you, tell me how to say we're through, 'cause every beat of my broken heart still wants to believe, still wants to believe, still wants to believe in you.